You can always buy with confidence knowing you will be backed by a limited lifetime powertrain warranty, free car washes for life, free loaners, and a 5-day vehicle exchange policy. Live, give the Larson difference.
Make a great choice today with the 2023 Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, stability control, navigation package, panoramic sunroof, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
There are plenty of reasons that Audi certified inspection is the industry's most rigorous. No other manufacturer puts their certified cars through a tougher examination. All certified cars are also backed by first-rate service and support. Audi certified cars, performance, and peace of mind.